Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Galegar. Today's Viva topic is constructor in a Java, and today's date is 9th May 2023. So the Java constructor or constructor in a Java is a terminology used to construct something in our programs. A constructor in a Java is a special method that is used to initialize objects. The constructor is called when an object or class is created. It can be used to set initial values for object attributes. In Java, constructor is a block of code or similar to the method. It is called when an instance of class is created. At the time of calling, the instructor memory for the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method that is used to initialize the object. Note that it is not necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because the Java compiler creates a default constructor if our class does not have any. Then another point is when constructor is called. The answer for this question is each time an object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor is invoked to assign initial value to the data members of the same class. There are some rules for writing a constructor are as follow. The constructor of class must have same name as the class name in which it resides. The constructor in a Java cannot be abstract, final, static. Access modifier can be used in a constructor declaration to control its access, that is which other class can call the constructor. Next point we are discuss as type of constructor. Primarily there are three types of constructor in a Java. As first one is a no argument constructor, second one is a parameterized constructor, third one is a default constructor. First one is a no argument constructor. In that point, a constructor that has a no parameter is known as a no argument or zero argument constructor. If we are not define constructor in a class, then compiler creates a constructor for the class. The second point is parameterized constructor. In that, a constructor that has a parameter is known as parameterized constructor. If you want to initialize a field of the class with our own values, then use a parameterized controller. The next is default constructor in Java is the last point. In that point, a constructor that has no parameter is known as a default constructor. A default